my name is Paige and today you're going to be cleaning and decorating with me. I have been doing these cleaning and decorating videos for well over a year now and you guys seem to really enjoy them. I know I enjoy filming them and putting them together for you. So today we're doing a spring edition. I will be doing some cleaning and decorating. I am going to be doing some pre-cleaning before I clean because my kitchen is a disaster. So we're going to tackle that first and then we're going to get into cleaning while we decorate. If you've never seen my face before and you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my content and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But before we start cleaning, I like to set the mood, get the atmosphere right. And because it's spring, I like my lemons and minty fresh scents. So I'm going to go ahead and light some candles, get some essential oil going, maybe melt some wax, I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and get the mood set so that my environment is welcoming for spring because we're in North Carolina and the outside is not spring welcoming at all. It's chilly today. So let's go ahead and get started. This is currently my favorite wallflower bulb from Bath & Body Works, especially for this time of year. It is the Energy from the aromatherapy line and it is in the scent Orange Ginger. It is amazing. It's definitely giving me that fresh lemony citrus vibe that I absolutely love. So if you love lemons, I know it says orange, but trust me, this is giving me more of the lemon scent. You should definitely go in and smell this one if you love anything citrus. So I'm going to be covering my house in these. Sticking with the lemon theme, I had to share this new wax melt that I found at Walmart. It is by Better Homes and Garden and it is in the Meyer lemon basil scent. It is so fresh, so good. It's crisp and clean. If you love lemon, you will love this. And of course, I gotta share a candle. This is my all-time favorite, like in my top 5 favorite candles of life. This is Bath & Body Works Lemon Mint Leaf. It was called Lemon Mint Tea a few years ago, but they changed it to Lemon Mint Leaf and it is just so good. It's so fresh, it is so strong. The throw on this candle is ridiculous. You don't need anything else going if you have this candle burning. So this is my absolute favorite for spring.
I was kidding myself, now I know you don't love me. Even though you said that you'd never leave me. Oh, but I know now I shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself, why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, ran away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your eye. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Always like this, don't know what happened to you. Put my trust in you, guess that I couldn't do that. Oh, but I know now, shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself, why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, ran away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your eye. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar.
I shared with you two of my favorite scents from the Mrs. Meyer spring line, and Grove Collaborative is offering new customers this set. So you'll get a multi-surface spray, a dish soap, and a hand soap, and one of their amazing dish towels. And they have all of the spring scents, so they don't just have the peony. They also have lilac and mint. Mint is probably my favorite. Peony is second, and then lilac would be last. I'm just not a huge fan of lilac, but I absolutely love the mint and the peony. You can't go wrong with either one of those. So if you're a new customer, make sure to check out the link listed down below in the description box. If you're an existing customer, you can use that link as well, and you'll get some of the awesome walnut scrubbers, the sponges. I love those. They do an amazing job on my dishes. So now I'm just going to use that mint and wipe everything down. It is so fresh and clean.
So you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. Not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. 'Cause I don't care about you anymore. So you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet. Oh, like a ricochet. Oh, it's like a ricochet. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Don't let me hold you now.
If this ponytail is any indication of how this decorating is going, okay, I am not really loving anything. I'm putting stuff out and I'm not liking the way it's turning out, and maybe it's just me. I sent a few pictures to my husband and he's like, I like it, but that's a man for you. I don't know. One problem is we are, if you're not familiar with my channel and you don't know, that we are talking about redoing the entertainment center, and I've mentioned it before in our living room update video. If you want to check that out to see exactly what I'm talking about, I'll link that up above. So it's like, I don't want to decorate it because we're getting ready to like knock it down, but then at the same time it's still here, so I kind of want to decorate it. But because I hadn't planned on decorating, I don't have anything for this area. I didn't buy anything new this year. I'm just using the stuff that I bought like the year before last. I bought it after Easter, and last year was the first year that I decorated for Easter. I normally like to bring out my brighter colors for spring, but last year was the first time I incorporated any bunnies or any Easter eggs or anything like that. But there is just, I don't know, y'all. I need your comments down below. Tell me what you're thinking so far of like the little clips of stuff that I showed you. Literally, it's a little because I don't know, I'm not liking it. I did not like the Easter sign above the window because we now have a pendant light there, and I don't like it on the mirror. I don't know. This is real life. This is real life decorating. You put stuff up, you move it 100,000 times until you finally get it the way you like it, or in this case, I'm not liking it at all. I don't know what to do at this point. I'm just gonna keep playing around with stuff. I think the biggest problem I'm having right now is because I wasn't completely finished with like my big anchoring neutral pieces, because I like to pick like big pieces that I can use all year round and just switch out seasonal stuff around it. And because I wasn't finished, especially back there on my entryway table, I'm kind of having difficulty trying to find the places for the little seasonal pieces. So it's being a you know, an aggravating situation, but we're gonna rise above. I'm gonna get on Pinterest and look for some inspiration, and I might visit Hobby Lobby this week. I have yet to look at their spring stuff. I haven't even looked, but I might have to. That's pretty much where all this Eastery stuff comes from, and Dollar Tree. I do have a few Dollar Tree pieces, but at this point, y'all, I'm between a rock and a hard place, and I need your help. Comment down below and help me. Help me. Help me. To hide hair close to Jesus. To hide hair the close to Jesus.